In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with Chime. Whether you're looking to manage your finances more efficiently or just interested in trying out a new banking platform with no monthly fees, this guide will walk you through each step to get you started seamlessly. To begin, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Chime's official website. Their platform is well known for offering banking without those pesky monthly fees, providing fee-free overdraft protection, and even helping you to build credit over time. All great reasons to consider making the switch or setting up your first online bank account with them. Once you've arrived on the home page, your focus should shift to locating the Get Started button. Go ahead and click on it. This will initiate the sign-up process where you'll begin entering your personal information. First, enter your full name and your preferred email address. Make sure the information you provide here is accurate to avoid any hiccups later in the process. After entering your name and email, you'll see a Next button. Click on it to advance to the next screen. Now, it's time to fill in details about your identity, starting with your date of birth and phone number. Again, it's crucial that this information is correct, as these details could be used later to verify your account. With that done, click on the Next button once more. This will lead you into the identity verification stage. At this step, Chime will typically require some form of identification, such as a social security number or a state-issued ID, to ensure you are who you say you are. This part of the process is very standard in online banking to protect your account and personal information. Once your identity is verified, the next step is getting approved. Chime will now validate the information you have provided. Approval can vary in time, but it is usually fairly quick. Once approved, you'll receive a confirmation. Congratulations, your application has been successful. The final step is setting up your new Chime account. Here, you'll customize some features tailored to your financial preferences and needs. This may include linking your new Chime account to your existing financial accounts for easy transfers or setting up direct deposit to get your paychecks quicker. Now you're all set. You've successfully set up your online banking with Chime, equipped to take advantage of all the features they offer. With everything in place, you can start managing your finances with more ease and confidence. Thank you for joining me today in this tutorial. I hope you found this guide clear and beneficial. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy banking!